Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to pin or unpin message is on Messenger. It's super easy to do. Let me show you how you can do it. Open up your Messenger app and then logged into your account, and as you can see over here, the second chat that you will see over here, I want to pin this. You have to simply do is slide it to the left. As you can see, the more option over here, you will see, click on that, and then you will see bunch of options over here. But in case you will never see the pin option in this, you have to simply do is slide it to right, or like you can slide them like into right, and then you will see over here the pin option. But in my case, I didn't find it because it's my account. But in your case, if you have added someone like another user on Messenger, so you have to simply do is slide it to the right, and then it's gonna be pop-ups the menu, like you can see their pin option, and you have to simply do is click on that pin and pin your messages, or like the chat that you want to pin. So that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.